Pouring in the candy. Done. Here you go.
Sweet! School time! Hanging it up. Hope teacher doesn't see.
Line up. Time for inspection. What do we have here?
Hello.
You know candy's not allowed at school, right?
I got nothing.
You better not.
Guys, follow me. My painting's cooler than it looks. Grab some quick. Tasty. So good. Lunchtime, finally. Looks delish. Huh?
Hey, don't forget me. Squeeze right here.
Oh, right. Mom, ketchup, please.
What? Oh, of course, sweetie. Here you go.
Nice. Adding a splash of red. Ooh, this feels awesome. Squeeze it. Whoa, this is fun. Let's add more. Come on, I know there's more in there.
Oh my! What's going on? Oh my goodness! No! My kitchen! Eh? This is a disaster! What is that? That's it! Enough! It's not a toy! Now there's tears too. But I got this. First, get a glove. Fold it like this. Now grab some white glue and red dye. Mix it up, just like that. Pour it into the glove. Real careful. Tie it up here. Done! Now grab that cute ketchup and plop the glove on top. Cover it up and snap it shut. Boom! Now it won't spill a thing. Here you go.
What's this?
Try squeezing it.
Huh? Why? Whoa! This is awesome!
Much better. Oh.
Now I just need a hot dog. Moving on. Huh? What was that? Anyone here? Who's there? Huh? Huh? Puppy, where are you going? Oh no! Mom!
Oh, why are you screaming? What happened?
There's a monster under the bed!
A monster? Really? Don't see anything. Nope, no one there.
I'm scared.
Alright, let's fix that. First, grab a balloon. Nice. Now a bowl. Add some water. Now some glue. And color dye. Perfect. Mix it up good. Dip in the tissue, like this. Stick it on the balloon. Add more pieces. Cover it all up. Let it dry. Pop the balloon. All done. Add some cute white bits. Stick these leafy parts on top. There! Strawberry's ready! Let's place it on the lamp.
Ooh.
Try it out!
Wow!
Much better. Sweet strawberry dreams, honey. Sleep tight.
See ya tomorrow. Hey, Badge, ready to learn?
Alright. Let's begin.
Hi, teacher!
Huh. What's that outfit, young lady? Such bright accessories.
Thanks!
Don't you know? No colors allowed in my class!
Wait, this stuff's banned?
Yup. Hand it all over.
No! Don't take it! This uniform's so boring!
Still way too much color here.
Ugh, this is depressing.
That means it's perfect for learning. Alright, we're done here. You can go.
Bye. My heart feels so empty.
Huh? What's wrong, sweetie?
This new uniform is lame.
Why is it so gray?
It's fine. I'll get used to it.
You sure you're okay?
No.
Huh? What's this? Wait, I've got an idea! Let's grab some plastic wrap and toss on these cool prints. Cover with more wrap. Now transfer to the shirt. Iron it real good. All done! Here, wear it with pride.
Wow! I feel better already!
So happy to hear that.
Yay! Love it!
When you're in school, do this next.
Okay. Teacher didn't notice. Time to bring color back to class.
What's on your shirt? You're in trouble, young lady.
I'm not done yet.
No, don't do that.
Oh yeah! Here comes the color boom!
Whoa, that's actually pretty. Time to change. How do I look?
Awesome! My turn! There we go! Woo!
All right, back to learning.
Yay! Let's celebrate! Happy birthday to me!
Congrats, sweetie. Love you tons. I got you a present.
Really?
Here it is.
Whoa, thanks!
Ooh.
Hope it's a pencil case. Please be. Let's see what we've got. Huh?
What do you think?
I don't know. Just found an iPhone so far.
What are you talking about?
That's it. Nothing else. Ugh.
Didn't like it? Seriously? Isn't that a cool phone? Look.
Yeah, I guess. Sounds like she didn't like it. Well, maybe I can put stuff in here.
Eh?
Oh, not working.
Oh no, wrong gift.
Don't worry, I got this. Watch.
You're right. Give me that, honey.
Why?
Mama's got a fix. Check this out. Grab some colored paper, place the box on top. Fold in the edges all around. Now slide in these little dividers. And a few more. Perfect! Take this cover and add glue. Now stick the pieces together. And let's add a little design. Cute! Stick on a few hearts, and some stickers and fun stuff. Boom! Done! Looks awesome! Take a peek!
Whoa, thanks! Now I can store my stuff! This goes here, and that goes there. So fun! And you can keep this, Mom.
Really? For me?
Yeah! Love ya!
Thanks, sweetie! This phone's got a super smart chip.
Robot battle! Let's go!
Huh?
You're toast!
What's on your hands?
Nothing?
Kitchen mittens?
Oops.
Why do you even need these? Huh? Give me those!
Aww.
How many gloves do you have? And why are you all messy?
It happened while I was painting. Huh? What's this? No! Ah! I didn't mean to.
Don't worry, we'll fix it. Grab a sheet and start sketching rectangles, like this. Add marks and a bit of flair. Oh yeah! Ha ha ha! What a funny face! Now let's draw lids and color them in. Tape it down like that. Cool! Now cut it out. Let's build it up. Fold like this and crease it here. Nice! Now grab some napkins and snip. Should be enough. Now put them inside. Seal the other side. Add the lid. Boom! New napkin boxes! Here you go, honey.
Wow! Thanks, Dad! Awesome! Let's paint! Such bright colors! Love it! Just one dot here. Oh yeah, this is fun! Huh? Oh, paint again! What now? Oh right! Got my napkins! Let's see what they can do. Wipe it clean, Just like that. All set. So handy. Teacher, I'm done.
Huh? Where did I get all messy?
Here, teacher. Catch.
Oh, just in time. Thanks.
It's starting! It's starting!
Not this move again.
So not the vibe. Come on, join in!
Oh, yeah.
Alright, class. Hey! Stop that immediately! Turn it off!
We can explain.
Save it. Sit down.
Yes, ma'am. We're all ears. And totally bummed. Unless…
I don't know.
just watch and learn. No phone, no problem. A few careful cuts are all it takes. Ready, set, hold! Funky, right?
No way.
Just watch. He's going down. Gotcha!
That thing is awesome.
I know, right?
Such creativity.
Hey! What's up? I'm pretty hungry.
Me too. Thanks. Oh, what just happened?
Oh, I guess my pocket was a little toasty. Whew. Okay. Hey, Mindy. Thirsty?
I guess. Thank you. Oh no! My new dress!
Today's gonna be different. Hey, these are for you. You like?
Ugh! Yikes!
Ugh.
Blood?
Are you serious? Totally. You can do this for me, okay? Yeah, I got this. Don't stress. Is she in there? Yup, the time is now. You got this.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, take this.
Thank you. What's this? A love letter? Oh, you're the best!
Sorry, man. Oh, I can't do anything right. But that changes right now. Mindy has to know how I feel about her. I hope she likes it. Wow, isn't it neat? Here goes nothing. Ooh. Hey!
Hey!
Howdy. I made you this.
What is it?
Wait for it. Just wait. My love is growing.
Wow!
Nailed it. This was from me, by the way.
Thank goodness!
Finally.
Hey, Ryan. Check it out.
A new phone?
The newest.
Ooh.
Hang on to your seat, bro. This thing will knock your socks off.
Whoa, you weren't kidding. Wow.
Wait, let me borrow that.
My water bottle? No, don't do it!
No! My new phone! Ugh, I can't believe this.
That was rough, but maybe I can help. Let's go back just a minute. Before the phone fell to its untimely death. There. Stop!
What?
Trust me. Hope you're taking notes, cause this is a hack you'll definitely use. And you've likely got cardboard lying around, right? Okay, now turn it around here. And cover it with more blue paper. And your favorite stickers, obviously. But we can't forget about the back. Some popsicle sticks can do wonders. Just put them in on all the right spots. But these are arranged to be fully functional. See? Behold, a phone stand!
What?
You're gonna love this, trust me. Ta-da! You don't have to lean it on anything anymore. Just hit play.
Wow, this is a game changer.
Did you see her face?
It's a classic. Let's see.
Wait, I forgot to color in the balloon.
Man. What happened?
Look.
I'll show you how to fix this. All it takes is some tape.
Ooh.
Whew, it's awfully sticky. Oh no.
Wow. Look!
I'm kind of busy right now.
Look!
Come on.
Oh, she's sleeping.
So cute.
Right here, sweetie. See ya. Oh boy. Huh? Ooh.
Got it. I knew it was in there, see?
Nice. I know. Watch very closely. And next, see this little thing? Just stick the piece right here. Nice and snug. And she goes here. And then it's done. The perfect eraser keeper. Made by me for you.
Thank you. I'll keep it in here, safe and sound. Thank you.
Alrighty, here goes nothing. Just one more thing. Much better. A real Picasso.
I made it! I missed my bus, but I brought my brushes. Or so I thought.
Silly, Mindy.
But how? I dozed off on the couch and I must not have noticed. Oh, I've got to go back! Oh, over there! You're coming with me! Oh, this thing sure was heavy.
You need some paper?
Thank you. Nice. But I need… hold on. Excuse me?
You're home?
My backpack. It's a long story.
Say no more.
Wait, are these for me? I got this! And I don't even need my backpack. Just this cute little box and these teeny tiny containers. Next up, some more cute paper shapes. But it holds these little guys. And this piece fits perfectly in here, but we've gotta keep it safe. No, I'm not painting my nails. I just need this. Also known as my teeny tiny paintbrush. See? Now comes the paint. Whew! All done here. Thank you! Bye! I still have time for a little painting. And I mean that very literally.
What on earth?
I know.
All done. What do you think?
I'm done too.
Small but mighty.
Interesting.
You've gotta see this. Come on.
Okay.
This way. See?